Players on court 2, please vacate the court.
Court 6 players, I repeat, court 6 players, Hong Shooting and Jen Wong versus Tang Ho-wei and Tang Xue. I repeat, court 6 players, Hong Shooting and Jen Wong versus Tang Ho-wei and Tang Xue. PSG, can I please get volunteer line judges for court 6 as well? And Ashley Yan and Megan Wong participating. Thank you.
One out.
Yes, can I please get volunteer line judges at court 6 as well? As I need volunteer line judges at court 3 and 6.
Nakikita nila, di ba?
5-3. Five.
Put a pause on court 8 for now as the players are still playing. Court 6 players, Hong Shooting and Jen Wong versus Tang Ho-wei and Tang Xue. Tang Ho-wei and Tang Xue, please head to court 6 now, as we would like to begin the game. Thank you. Calling all the levels C, D, and E winners, please head to the trophy table as we will begin the awarding shortly. But please do take note, don't stand beside the court as they're all ongoing. Just please stand behind the trophy table. Thank you. Court 6 players, Tang Ho-wei and Tang Xue, Beijing, Tang Ho-wei and Tang Xue. Please head to court 6 now.
Nine, eight. 9-8.
Court 2 players, Tang Hongyan and Chong Chen Yong, Beijing, Tang Hongyan and Chong Chen
Eh, di ba dapat somewhere? Hindi ko naman pwede. Oo, somewhere.
Tanya, Nair, and Shivash, please assist to run the court 7 and 6. As there's no one will be in court for now. Thank you.
Oh my God, si JD. Umiliad na rin. Ay, yung paa naman niya. Doble na yun. Ang talagang sa Sunday, yung mga magabata, wala. Sila yung magbabata. Hindi. Sila pa rin. Anak out din. Wala makapit. Kasi naman nanalo. How's the game?
Lose 15-1.
But top 8, right? Does he want to go home? Does he want to go home? Hey! Nakakita siya ng free court eh.
Hindi, championship ba to? Pera.
Kaya nga eh, ultapin ko tayo yung mga cash prizes to.
Uy, yun! Cash prizes sabi ko
Oo
sa'yo.
pala,
Ano meron?
pera.
Cash prizes. Bigyan ng rabbit. Yeah. Emma,
Congratulations to the second round of mixed doubles double A, where Kumar and Sayu. And also congratulations to the third runner-up,
Gawin natin yung
James Ryan and Sharon Chia.
yung kuha. Bahala ka sa buhay. Nagad na mata. Sinakabahan mo. Ate siya. Supportahan mo ko. Supportahan mo. Ano ka ito? Open. Hindi pa naman.
For 7, we can proceed with the game. Rai Rachel and Kong Sufri versus Muhammad Daniel and Laura Fina. Line judges Tanya Nair and Shubash. Please assist the line judge of Court 7 and 6. Thank you.
Court number 9, we are still waiting for the players. Yeah, court number 9, we're still waiting for the players. They're still waiting for the votes. We will wait a while for the players.
On behalf of the Pinoy SG Badminton Club, we would like to thank everyone, our participants, our volunteers, and all the sponsors for supporting our Ultra Mix 2026. And we are very happy that we have a very enjoyable and peaceful tournament today. And hopefully you are all enjoying the outside as well. Matcha. Again, thank you very much from Pinoy SG Badminton Club. And we hope to see you again on August for the Pinoy SG Badminton Open. August 22 for the men's double and women's double. And then for August 23 for the mixed doubles. Thank you. Yung nakapit with the